Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics guys. Today we'll be doing something unusual. You see that Audi TT that we got? You can check the video on Auto Repair guys, we have it there. So it needs some work, it has quite a bit of damage. We'll build that one, try to flip this thing guys to make a few bucks here and there, and you can see the suspension damage on that thing. So today guys, we'll actually be stealing the whole rear suspension, everything from a Beetle bug that we have. It's the high performance Beetle, that's 1.8 turbo manual transmission, and our dog has been using it as a house. So we'll be flipping it on the side to steal the suspension. Stay with us. I think it will be a fun video today guys. Thank you for watching and let's go ahead and start on it. Alright guys, so I told you, unusual video today. That's the Beetle that we're talking about, that 1.8 that we have here. And the engine is done on it. Okay, it's pretty much dead. Connecting rod is through the block. We used it for parts, we stole the front bumper, airbags, things like that. And that's the puppy dog's play car. Yep, check the inside out now, that's just ridiculous, okay? That's where she takes naps and stuff, that's her favorite spot. She never goes to the dog houses and stuff like that, so yep, that's what we'll be using for the Audi. That's the rear axle there. Rear axle is supposed to be perfect. Let's see if it fits. We're going to roll it on the side. Alright guys, so this is it, as you can see, upside down, well on one side. I told you it has a hole in the block. Yep, it's right there. So you can kind of see that. You can see suspension wise, it looks really good. The rear axle is fine, no damage to it or anything like that. The car is, it doesn't have too many miles on it, so we definitely want to see if we can use that thing from it. So stay with us, we're gonna take it apart quick, see if it's going to fit now. Oh guys, we've been having quite fun with that thing. We got so much rain guys, it's just unbelievable right now. So we're actually ready to remove the whole axle, and I think we'll be stealing the fuel tank as well, because our system here is all messed up. Remember, on the Audi, I'll show you again, stay with us. We'll see if it fits. We took some measurements, everything seems like it's going to fit, so that will be unbelievable. It will save us about $500. I paid less than that for just that parts car, and we used so many things out of it. So now all we're going to do is just disconnect the brake lines. Okay, and once we do that, the cables for the handbrake, we'll cut those, because we'll actually be installing our cylinder brake calipers from the Audi. We will not be using those here. We will actually use those shocks because they seem way newer than the one on the Audi. I thought I was gonna fly, it did, but at least it's not in the ice. Okay, so this brake line is done now, it's loose. We'll need to remove that bracket down there. Oh, well, actually not, because this one is it's holding towards the body. It's not part of the rear suspension axle. It's super simple design, the way they come up with that thing. It's so easy to remove. Stay with us, you won't even believe it. But let's get the big tools a little bit now and cut some cables here. Well, we actually decided not to cut it because I forgot we already stole the caliper out of this one, so the cable there is loose, we don't need it. We're gonna take this one off on the bottom as well. Okay, see how we can push it out of here. It's getting stuck a little bit. Okay, now it's out. All we have to do is just get it off that bracket there. Okay, that's almost out now. Okay, perfect. And we have the one on top. You see how close we are to removing the whole axle now. Okay, awesome. So we're gonna remove the shocks from the top now. Oh, right there. We have two bolts with a 16mm that we'll try to reach to remove somehow. Okay, you can see what I'm talking about there. We hold the tire because we might have some pressure on the spring. Okay, one is out. Now just one more. Okay, right there. Oh, this one's spun. Okay, a little bit of pressure on the spring, but not much at all. So now the shocks are done. Next thing, we have the ABS cables on this one. We unhooked them on the Audi, so I think we'll just go ahead and cut it. We don't need a wiring harness for it. If you really want to keep it for a parts car or something like that, never cut stuff, guys, because you never know what you're going to need. But it's gonna go to the junkyard soon anyway, so we're just waiting to use something out of it. Also, we'll be stealing the exhaust for the Audi. We need the flex pipe on the front. Remember, that's broken on that Audi. So now on the bottom, well, I guess this one is tight. We have 4 bolts that we'll need to remove on this side here. Once we get them loose, we can actually use the little impact, guys. That thing is amazing. I mean, we've been using it for so many years, and it's been in water, oil, whatever you can think of, and it's still good. So you can check out our website, Mechanic Lifestyle. We're adding new content daily, guys, so that's pretty cool. I mean, we'll share our links on Amazon and other products we use, tools we use, things like that. So if you need anything from the video, the plan is to have it there, and that way you can just go ahead, click and see the tools we used and the products we use. So if you need to buy something, it's right there. It's not through us, we're just sharing the links. Okay, we're thinking about removing the bottom one first. Okay, everything's loose here, the spring came off. I think the heaviest thing now will be the tires. We probably should have taken those off, to be honest with you. Alright, let me leave the camera, guys, because I'll need to be holding it a little bit. So this is it, guys. We're gonna take the tires off, take it to the Audi, and we're going to compare if it's going to fit now, do some measurements. So I think we will be able to save about 500 bucks there now. Okay guys, so this is, okay, as you can see, this is the one that's bent right here, okay, on this side, and this is the one from the Beetle bike that we took. And we compared, measured everything, seems exactly the same. The only difference is this is the Audi, this one has the self-leveling headlights. You know, Audi uses those a lot. And the Beetle doesn't have that, but it has the bracket. So all we have to do, we will just need to go ahead and remove the bolts and install them on this one, and that way we'll be ready to go. I think we'll install it and see what it looks like. Everything else looks the same. We'll need to swap our disc brakes because those stayed on the car for too long without being driven, and then we'll need to take them to the shop to get them turned if we want to use those. Alright guys, so we put it together. As you can see, that's how it looks with the Volkswagen Beetle. Rear axle, everything is exactly identical. We couldn't find any difference. So I think it's pretty awesome deal. We saved ourselves quite a bit, probably about 500 bucks. So let's take it out of the shop now and see if it actually looks fine. As you can see guys, it looks pretty good. We're about to get a big storm here in town. Okay, you have to check the sky out. I know it's not part of the mechanic part, but look at it. Black. They said that we have a tornado warning, so we'll see what happens there. So that's it, guys. Looks great. The only thing that we need to fix now here, we need to adjust the tail light and a little bit of the bumper. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.